Welcome to Error Genie, your trusted source for step-by-step troubleshooting and tech guides. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up and use the Game Stick Lite 4K. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a refresher, this guide will make it easy to get started. Let's dive in. Step 1. Unboxing and understanding the Game Stick Lite 4K. The Game Stick Lite 4K includes Game Stick Lite 4K device with an HDMI connector, USB Type-A port for power input, USB port for the controller dongle, SD card slot, usually pre-installed with a 64GB SD card containing games, 2 controllers and a power cable, an HDMI extender cable, optional use. Step 2. Connecting the Game Stick Lite 4K. Insert the controller dongle. Locate the USB port on the back of the Game Stick Lite 4K. Plug the dongle into this port to connect the controllers wirelessly. Connect the power cable. Use the provided USB power cable. Insert the USB Type-A end into a USB power adapter or the USB port on your TV monitor. Plug the other end into the power input port on the Game Stick Lite 4K. Plug the HDMI connector. Insert the HDMI connector from the Game Stick Lite 4K directly into your TV or monitor. If your TV's HDMI port is hard to access, use the included HDMI extender cable for flexibility. Step 3. Setting up the controllers. Insert batteries into the controllers. Open the battery compartment on the back of the controller. Insert 2 AA batteries. Ensure correct polarity. Turn on the controller using the on-off switch. A blinking light indicates it's ready to pair. Pair the controller with the Game Stick. The controller should automatically pair when the dongle is connected. If not, press and hold the pairing button on the controller until the light stabilizes. Step 4. Navigating the Game Stick interface. Using the controller, joystick/D-pad. Move up, down, left, and right in the menu. A button. Confirm/select. B button, cancel/back. Start button, begin a game. Select button. Insert a virtual coin for arcade games. Customizing the display. Use the mode button to access settings for sound, display, and other features. Adjust these settings based on your preferences. Step 5. Playing a game. Choose your game. Scroll through the list using the joystick or D-pad. Highlight the game you want to play and press the A button to start. Insert coins and start. For arcade games, press the select button to insert coins. Press the start button to begin the game. Gameplay. Use the buttons A, B, X, Y for actions like jump, kick, or shoot, depending on the game. Tips for a smooth experience. Power source. Use the TV's USB port for power to avoid malfunction issues. HDMI extender. Use the extender cable for tight or awkward TV setups. Game controls. Check each game's settings for specific button functions. Conclusion. And there you have it. Your Game Stick Lite 4K is all set up and ready for endless hours of gaming. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one on Error Genie. Happy gaming.